Namaste बिटिया, खुश रहो बिटिया. Myself JVN Dr. Ritu Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Gyneo, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today's session is Physiological Changes During Pregnancy, Part 5th. Respiratory System. With the enlargement of the uterus, especially in later month, there is elevation of diaphragm by 4 cm. Total lung capacity is reduced by 5% due to this elevation. However, diaphragmatic excursion is increased by 1 to 2 cm and breathing becomes diaphragmatic. Total pulmonary resistance is reduced due to progesterone effect. The subcostal angle increases from 68 degrees to 10 degree. The transverse diameter of the chest expands by 2 cm and the chest circumference increased by 5 to 7 cm. The mucosa of the nasopharynx becomes hyperemic and edematous. This may cause nasal stiffness and rarely epistaxis. A stage of hyperventilation occur during pregnancy, leading to increase the tidal volume and therefore respiratory minute volume by 40%. It is probably due to progesterone acting on the respiratory center and also increase in sensitivity of the center to CO2. The woman feels shortness of breath, acid-base balance. The hyperventilation causes changes in the acid-base balance. The arterial PaCO2 fall 38 to 32 mmHg and PaO2 rises 95 to 105 mgHg. These facilitated transfer of CO2 from fetus to mother and O2 from mother to fetus. The pH rises in order of 0.02 unit and there is a base axis of 2 MEq per L. This pregnancy is a state of respiratory alkalosis. Parietal renal compensation occurs through increased excretion of bicarbonate. Maternal O2 consumption is increased by 20 to 40% due to increased demand of fetus, placenta and maternal tissue. Maternal oxygen reserve during pregnancy is reduced to fast. Increased oxygen consumption and reduced functional residual capacity. These physiological changes make a pregnant woman more susceptible to effect of apnea during intubation. Urinary system. Kidney. There is dilation of ureter, renal pelvis and calyx. The kidneys enlarge in length by 1 cm. Renal plasma flow is increased by 50 to 75%, maximum by the 16 weeks and is maintained until 34 weeks. Thereafter, it falls by 25%. Glomerular filtration rate GFR is increased by 50% all throughout pregnancy. Increased GFR causes reduction in maternal plasma levels as creatinine, blood urea nitrogen BUN, and uric acid. Renal tubules fail to reabsorb glucose, uric acid, amino acid, and water soluble vitamins completely. Ureter. Ureters become atonic due to high progesterone level, dilation of the ureter above the pelvic brim with stasis is marked on the right side, especially in primary gravida. It is due to dextrorotation of the uterus pressing the right ureter against the pelvic brim, and also due to pressure by the ovarian right ovarian vein, which crosses the right ureter at right angle. The stasis is marked between 20 to 24 weeks. There is marked hypertrophy of muscles and the sheet of ureter, especially the pelvic part, probably due to estrogen. There is elongation, kinking, and outward displacement of the ureters. The dilation effect resolves by 6 weeks postpartum. Bladder. Bladder, there is marked congestion with hypertrophy of muscles and elastic tissue of the wall. The late pregnancy, the bladder mucosa becomes edematous due to venous and lymphatic obstruction, especially in primary gravida following early engagement. Increased frequency of maturation is noticed at 6 to 8 weeks of pregnancy, which subsides after 12 weeks. It may be due to resting of osmoregulation causing increased water intake and polyuria. In later pregnancy, frequency of maturation once more reappears due to pressure on the bladder as presenting part of descent down the pelvis. Stress incontinence may be observed in late pregnancy due to urethral sphincter weakness. Alimentary system. The gums become congested and spongy and may bleed to touch. Muscle tone and motility of the entire GIT tract are diminished due to high progesterone level. Cardiac sphincter is relaxed and regurgitation of acid gastric content into the esophagus may produce chemical esophagitis and heartburn. Dyspepsia is common. There is diminished gastric secretion and delayed emptying time of the stomach. Risk of peptic ulcer disease is reduced. Atomicity of the gut leads to constipation while diminished peristalsis facilitates are more absorption of food materials. Liver and gallbladder. Although there is no histological changes in the liver cells, but the functions are depressed, where the exception of raised alkaline phosphate level, other liver function tests are unchanged, like serum level of bilirubin, AST, ALT, CKP, LDH. There is mild cholestasis estrogen effect. There is marked atomicity of gallbladder progesterone effect. This, together high blood cholesterol level during pregnancy, favor stone formation. Nervous system. Some sort of temper mental changes are found during pregnancy and in the puerperium. Nausea, vomiting, mental irritability, and sleep disorder are probably due to some psychological background. Postpartum blues, depression, or psychosis may develop in a susceptible individual. Compression of the median nerve and breathe the flexor ranunculus over the twist joint, leading to pain, paresthesia in the hand and arm. Carpal tunnel syndrome may appear in the later month of pregnancy. Similarly, paresthesia and sensory loss over the antero- anterolateral aspect of the thigh may occur. It is due to compression of lateral cutaneous nerve of the thigh. Calcium metabolism skeletal system. During pregnancy, there is increase the daily requirement of calcium during pregnancy and lactation average 1 to 1.5 gram. There is increased mobility of the pelvis joint due to the softening of the ligaments caused mainly by hormone. This along with increased lumbar dorsosis during later months of pregnancy due to enlarged uterus produce backache and widening gait. This session is powered by Digital version 2.0 JVWU. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.